Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is June the 19th, 2024, and we're looking at two different apples here, two different apple trees. We just received these from plantmegreen.com, and we planted them about 2 weeks ago. These are called the Anna apple trees. They do like acidic soil, to my knowledge. So what we've done is we've taken huge amounts of leaves and detritus and put them in these big holes that we dug here. Okay, they were also inoculated with beneficial bacteria and beneficial fungi, and they were left to sit for over a year, and they were getting watered in and whatnot. That has since been placed into this hole, that hole, and we've put these apple trees into these holes as soon as they came in, as soon as they were shipped. Now they've been greening, so that's good. They've come back to life. You see all this dead foliage? That's from the shipping. They will get dead foliage from the shipping, but as soon as they come in, you have to plant them and water them in heavily. That's what we did, and we're seeing some success here. At least what looks like success. But these guys, they can fake you out because it takes a long time for them to reestablish whenever they're being transplanted. Now, we chose the Anna apple tree and the Golden Dorsett. That Golden Dorsett there, most of the main stem has died. Okay, this is the old Anna apple tree. We tried to transplant it from the backyard to the front, and that didn't work out. Now here's the old Golden Dorsett. Same thing. We tried to transplant it from the back to the front, and that didn't work out. However, we've got the Golden Dorsett still hanging on down here. So this is a very good sign. We've got some new growth coming out. I don't know if you can see that. Right down there. That's a good sign too. We want this one to stay alive. If it doesn't, so be it. I'll get another one from plantmegreen.com, maybe a couple of the Golden Dorsett. Now, these two apples, okay, these two apple trees, they need each other for cross-pollination. That's why we have both of them. Okay, you got the Anna, the Golden Dorsett, and then another Anna. The reason we chose the Anna and the Golden Dorsett is because they have a low chill hour requirement to set fruit, and that means 45 degrees or lower in temperature during the winter. So that is conducive for the Florida environment where we're located, which is zones 9A, 10B border. Now this past winter, it wasn't very cold at all. It never dipped. I don't think it dipped below 45 at all throughout the entire winter. But going forward, it's not always going to be like that. We're just caught between El Nino and La Nina or something like that. One of those weather cycles. But yeah, when it reverses, that's going to really work to help these guys out. Anyhow, yeah, the leaves and detritus produces the acidic soil, which is necessary, and the nutrients, the high nitrogen content to keep these guys alive and thriving. And so hopefully going forward, we can get some apple production here in Florida. So if you're interested in getting the Your World Explorer brand image printed on a canvas, on a t-shirt, on a cup, a keychain, you name it, just go to Zazzle.com/Your World Explorer, and you can get all of that right there. Folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that does help our channel grow. And stay tuned, as I will keep you updated on the progress of these apple trees. Have a great day.